What's up guys, welcome back to another banger of a video. Today we're going to be installing something that I've been wanting to do on the CRV that I have to deal with on a daily basis, and that is on upgrading the speakers on the for the sound system. It's one of my pet peeves I have on this car, and the speakers are over here. So I got some Polk audios. They're 6.5 slim mount coaxial, however you say that, DB651s. So the speakers, there's 2 in the front doors and then 2 over here in the cargo area. But yeah, I think this box is open. But yeah, these are the speakers. These are the speaker covers. Speakers themselves are right here. Right here. So they look like they're pretty good speakers. I don't know too much about these brand. I've heard a lot of things that they're good. I was going on the CRV group pages. You can't really fit, like, you kind of have, like, you're very limited, I think, on the CRVs on what speakers you want to add on these, because of the like, you can't go too big of a magnet, or else you have to do like some trimming and all that. So I think these should be good. I did have some DS18s. I forgot which ones I had exactly, but those weren't gonna work. They're too big. So yeah. And then I have these speaker harness adapters, so I could put these on, so I won't have to do any soldering, however you say it. But yeah, we're gonna get started on the rears. It's a pretty simple install. You just pop this open. Here, give me a second. So we're gonna pop this open, and boom, and we got 3 bolts, as you can see, and it's a 3-bolt pattern. Look how crusty that looks. There you go. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that from the front and rears. I do have a little underseat subwoofer that I'm not gonna be adding on today. I just want to do the speakers for now because I'm going to be going on a trip next weekend, so I want to have that all ready. And the subwoofer, we'll add it on later on. I'm not, as long as these could make a difference, I'm good with that. But yeah, so obviously pop the covers, and then you're going to be doing 3 bolts. So 1, 2, and 3. And then yeah. So I think it's a pretty straightforward install. Oh, here we have the wiring. It's all stuck up on here. I think this is also for like the trailers and all that, like, so you could tell. I'm not so sure. And I'm not sure if they've modified this or not. Let me see the hopefully this bolts right in. It doesn't fit through there. Oh, it goes right here. So it's pretty obvious which goes to which. The small pin goes to the small pin, and the big pin goes to the big pin. And then we got these, and then we got the speakers going right there. Oh wait, wrong ones. Here's the new ones. But yeah, we're just gonna bolt those right in right now. Give me a second. Let's compare the two. So we have these, the old ones. Oh, it's got my keys attached to it. We got the old ones and the new ones. Can you guys see? Yeah, you guys can see. Here's the back. Look how crusty it is. It's got more. Look at the size of the magnet. Yeah, it's a pretty big difference. These are gonna bump for sure. But yeah, we're just gonna plug the pins in over here. So the small one's gonna have to go to the small one. Right over here. And then big one goes to the big one. And just bolts right up. Just find the pattern is on. Oh damn, I gotta unplug everything. Put this phone back on. But yeah. Alright, so we got this side all bolted in. I'm gonna keep the covers off just to make sure once everything's all together, all 4 speakers are on, that they're, you know, obviously making noises. But we're gonna go on the other side. You guys already know how the other side is gonna be, same side as this. Also, you just make sure you guys find the pattern to line it all up, obviously, because it's like a multi-pattern thing. Here's the other one. It's like a multi-pattern, so it's like whatever fits on your car. But yeah, we're gonna go on the other side. I'm not gonna show that side because it's gonna be the same deal. I'll show you guys the front, even though it's gonna be the front, the same thing as well, but I'll still show you guys. All right, the rears are on. What do you guys think? Should we put these covers on though? Make it a little custom. Make it look custom in the rear, like on some West Coast customs type shit. We are on the West Coast, so I think is that the move. Nah, I'm just playing. So yeah, we're gonna be moving to the fronts now. We're gonna install those. Those are I'm the ones that I'm kind of like scared if they'll fit or not, because I think the front is where you have to do the trimming and all that. So hopefully these will fit good and there's enough space, because if not, I'm gonna have to trim it up a bit, which hopefully not. So just like in the rears, you just pop these, pop the covers off, 3 bolts as well. 3 bolts as well, and then you plug the adapter harness pins onto it. I'm starting to think that I didn't really need the adapter harness now that I think of it. But yeah, you just plug those in and then boom. So we're gonna get to that. Alright, that's the last bolt. Oh shit, over here it's actually a plug. So over here it's a plug. Oh damn, it's really nasty. I'm about to clean that up real quick right now with a rag. But where's the plug? Yeah, these are gonna go in. So yeah, maybe in the rears I didn't need them, but in the fronts I definitely do, and I'm gonna have to clean that up. Look how nasty it is. I'm not sure what that could be. Looks like there's nothing in there either, so it's also on the speaker itself. But that's nasty. We're gonna clean that up real quick and I'll be back. All right, so we're gonna plug the pins in now. Same thing on this side. I think this is, I don't know if you guys can see, this plastics piece is I think what everyone says they have to trim up. I thought it was like metal, but it's the actual door card itself. Let me line this up to the 3 bolts, 3 bolt pattern. Hopefully we don't have to do any trimming though, and it's all something basic, or I mean it'll just plug right in. Where's this 3 bolt? That's 4. 3 bolts right here, just unplugged. Make sure the pins are all pressed in fully and they're actually in too. Alright, so I'm gonna put all the wiring in the back. Line it up center. Ooh, it's fucking up. And I believe we're good. Yep, we're good. They fit, guys. So we're gonna bolt it all up, and then boom, we're gonna be bitching. I'll let you guys know once we're on the other side. Alright, so we're done all around. So these are the rear speakers that were on the CRV. These are the fronts. Has like this plastic thing. I don't know, the two are 2 whole different ones. They're both Alpines. Oh no, I mean Pioneers. But I don't know if these are the original ones. But yeah, it has like this plastic thing all around. But I mean, they're still good, I think. I'm not sure. I don't know much about audio, but we're gonna be testing it now. Make sure everything's like all hooked up well. Keys are right here. Ooh, there you go. So yeah, we're gonna test them real quick. All right, so the rears weren't working, so what I'm gonna do is take off this harness and then go straight to this since I don't actually need that. So we're gonna plug those in, hopefully they turn on, and yeah.
Few moments later.
Alright, so I figured out the issue. I don't have it right here, but I had it that the rear speakers, as in the, I guess these are off, and I had them on only over there, but I had to have it flipped, as in these are on and then those are off, because I don't know, I thought if I put the ones all the way in the back were the only ones, it'd work, but I had to put that there over here. I don't know, it was weird, but we're gonna test it out with this young Dolph type beat. Better turn it up a bit more too. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the speakers. It was definitely an upgrade from these janky ones. They weren't bad, but I wanted like more less distortion and all that, like less mumbly type, I guess, if that makes sense, when I turn it up more. But just need to bolt it down a bit more on this side. But yeah, I'm pretty happy how it sounds. I'm sure once we add the underseat subwoofer, it's gonna really change the difference. But other than that, that's gonna be it for today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, follow the Instagram at Victor_Doza. I'll link everything in the description, from the speakers to the this stuff, the harness adapters. But yeah, have a good one, guys.